Hello, my name is Jamie Connolly. I am a QA engineer on the Sage 100 development team. This recording will show how to set up a Microsoft 365 developer subscription and configure an environment for Power Apps and Flow development integrating with Sage 100. The first thing needed is to join the Microsoft 365 developer program. I'm going to go ahead and open up an in private Edge window and browse out to the Microsoft 365 development program site. Okay, so here you'll see a Join Now button. We'll go ahead and select that. And I want to use a new account, so pick another account. And I'm going to go ahead and put in a test Gmail account I established. Just called it sage100m365@gmail.com. Okay, it says we couldn't find an account with that username. Try another or get a new Microsoft account. So I'm going to go ahead and say get a new Microsoft account. And looks like you don't have an account with us. We'll create one for you using sage100m365@gmail.com. I'll go ahead and say next. And then I need to enter the password I'd like to use. And click next. Here it's asking for my region and my birthday. Go ahead and enter that. And click next. Okay, and here it's going to want me to verify that is my email. So enter the code that is sent to that Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that email, which should be here. And here we have that code 2807. So let's go ahead and enter that 2807. And no, I don't want tips right now. And I'll click next. Okay, before I can proceed, I need to verify that I'm a real person. Let's see if I can read that. JDXHGXN. Next. Okay, and here it's going to tell me that please add my first name and last name to my Microsoft account. And it gives me that location. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to open up another browser window, enter that value, and click enter. And okay, so now I need to find where I put my last name and first name. Let's go to contact information. Let's go back to, oh, here, right here, add name. All right, Jamie Connolly, and enter the characters I see, LRLQSVWM. Okay, and save it. All right, so there it has Jamie Connolly. If I scroll back to that message, just so that you see that, and then it says, and try again later. It may take a few hours for this change to appear in the system. I did do this in another test and it took a couple hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the recording and I'll rejoin you when this is complete. Thank you. Okay, so this process did take about 2 hours. I simply left, came back every now and then, refreshed the window, and at one point it did complete the process. And so here I'm ready to finish signing up for this developer program. So for the country region, I'll go ahead and select United States. And company and language preference. And I'll accept the terms. You can go ahead and select if you'd like tips or offers from 365 Developer Program. I'll leave that blank for now and click Next. All right, so here it is going to ask us a few other questions. Let's see, we're in information technology, primary personal projects, Office 365, Power BI, Power Apps, Planner, Outlook, Azure AD. And again, this is just areas that you're interested in. I don't think you need to, but these are the ones we'll be working on. Technologies, check all that apply. Code, whatever you want there, PowerShell. Okay, so then go ahead and join. All right, so now it's telling us that if you don't have a subscription already, we recommend that you begin your membership by setting up your new Microsoft 365 developer subscription. So close that window. I'll go ahead and just accept this one, set up E5 subscriptions. And here we want to create a username and domain name. Now this is the one that will be used for all of the logins, and the domain name needs to be unique. So for username, let me see here. I think I was using similar to my a Gmail account I had used. I'll use Sage 100 M365. And then for my domain name, I'm just going to try to come up with something unique. Let's go ahead and do 29cent22. And then a password, confirm password. And you're gonna want to make sure to save this off. All right, and then go ahead and continue. Next, enter a valid phone number and enter the code that is sent to you. You will then be able to click Setup to complete the process. My developer account is now ready for use. Thank you.